Hello, folks. Hi, hi. Hello. How are you doing? All right. So, do you know what is topic for today? Folks, can anyone guess like what is topic for today? Yes, I think you know that exactly well. So today, today we are going to see like how you can 10x your LinkedIn, how you can integrate AI in your LinkedIn, so that like whenever you are applying for any job opening, your LinkedIn profile will stand out. Okay, so we'll start from very basics, right? We'll like absolutely start from like absolute basic level, zero level, to the hero level, right? Right from like optimizing your profile, right from creating your profile to the level where like LinkedIn influencer post their content, right? So today, the exact agenda for today's session is going to be how you can like optimize your LinkedIn profile in such a way that recruiters, whenever they search for like particular job, like particular person, your profile will pop up for that particular job. Okay, make sense? So that's what we are going to see today. All right. So by the way, folks, like who has like optimized LinkedIn profile? Can you guys give me your link of LinkedIn profile in the chat box? Like they want to optimize. We'll optimize. All right. So let's optimize it together. So I'll begin from like I'll start from like zero. All right. Is it okay with everyone? Like I'll start from zero, right from starting a LinkedIn account, right? Right from building a LinkedIn account. Let's say your old profile you're not able to like find ID password. Then also like you can start from right from zero, and from there like you can get everything done about your LinkedIn. Okay. So let's do that. I'll just open my new Gmail account. Okay. Is my screen visible to everyone? Folks, is my screen visible to everyone? Yeah. No, no. Yes, no. All right. So let me just now. Now is everyone able to see my screen? Yes. Yes. All right. Sounds good. All right. So now I'll go to LinkedIn. Okay. And here, what I'm going to do, I have to select I did a login with Google, right? I created a new Gmail account, and with that Gmail account, I logged in into this LinkedIn. All right. So now it will ask me like what area I want to build my profile in, right? So here, choose that area carefully, right? So wherever you are willing to work in your job, let's say you want a job in Bangalore, like upcoming job hunting you are doing for Bangalore, or upcoming job hunting you are doing for Hyderabad, then put in that location. All right. Let's say I want to do a job hunting in Delhi NCR region. So I'll just type Delhi. All right. So here I'll select Delhi region. All right. And here I'll do next. Okay. As simple as that. So now it will ask you for your most recent job title. So that we are going to optimize. So right now I'll just like drop in manager or manager. I'll drop in manager and employment time for type full type. Right. And maybe I can do at B10X. Okay. And I'll click on continue. So here, this is not necessary. Like if you already have a LinkedIn account, you do not need to do this from start. If you do not have, this is the way you can build your LinkedIn account. Okay. So now here, what I'm going to select, I'm going to select no, I'm not interested in any job opportunity right now, right? But you can also select the second option, no, like not really, but would consider the right opportunity. Okay. So I'll click on next. And what kind of job am I looking for? Maybe I'll write manager. Okay. Management job. And I can select multiple job profiles which are relevant for me. Let's say I'm a software developer. So let's take example of software developer. I'll be interested in backend jobs, backend developer, front end developer, right? Front end developer, software tester, software tester, right? So these three jobs maybe I'm interested in, and maybe I want the job in like in remote location. So I'll just select remote, so that like whenever I have opportunity, they can like it will send me. Or if I want to select Delhi, so I'll just select Delhi region. Now I'll click on next, right? So it will ask me like if I want to get notified. This is basic setting. Like you can select on, or you can also off this. All right. So for this example, I'll just select on. Now I'm not sharing this with recruiter right now. Now I'll click on next. Okay. So it is asking me to like also log in into my LinkedIn account on my phone. So I'm just straight away going to skip that step. Okay. So I'll click on next. All right. Okay. So now I'll skip this as well. I'll do the next. All right. So now my profile is built. Right now my profile is built. So on a scale of 1 to 10, how much will you rate this profile? If you see this profile, if you get a request from this profile, how much how likely are you to like accept request from this particular profile? how likely are you like to accept to accept requests from this particular website, that this particular account? Not likely. No, I won't be accepting. Is it a good LinkedIn profile? Is it a good LinkedIn profile? Is it a good LinkedIn profile? No, 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 no. Yeah, absolutely right, right? Absolutely right. This is very, very basic, like ultra basic, ultra primitive, just LinkedIn page, like many people have, right? So this is not like good profile at all. So here we are going to see how you can use AI to optimize this profile to such an extent that whenever recruiter is searching for certain job roles, right? So your profile will pop up on top. All right. Who is excited? Drop in yes in the chat box with multiple yes in the end. Drop in yes in the chat box if you are absolutely excited to learn this knowledge, right? Of optimizing LinkedIn in such a way that like recruiters are going to approach you, right? I told you in the webinar, right? If you remember, I told you in the webinar, like build your profile in such a way that recruiters are going to approach you. Exact method, exact things we are going to see today. Okay? Yes, 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 yes. Wow, wow, absolutely crazy energy, folks. Absolutely crazy energy. All right. Okay. So here, let's begin with first things first. All right. So there are many things in our LinkedIn profile, right? There are many things in a particular LinkedIn profile. Let's open my LinkedIn profile. Okay. So I'll just open my LinkedIn profile and let's see. So what is there? There's a banner, there is a description of our profile, there is a link about profile, right? After that, there is about section of profile, there is featured section of the profile. After that, there is activity and there is experience and education, and after that, certifications, projects, volunteering work, skills, recommendations, and public courses, and all these things are there, right? So let's see, let's tackle all of these things one by one, right? Let's tackle all of these things one by one, okay? So I'll just open LinkedIn once again of our own account, okay? So first of all, let's begin with the banner of the profile, right? Let's begin with the banner of the profile. Let's change that. Let's start from top and let's go towards the bottom, right? In meanwhile, we'll optimize everything one by one, okay? And towards the end, right now, like many of you, like on a scale of 1 to 10, how much will you rate this profile, folks? Whatever profile you have right in front of you of LinkedIn, how much will you rate this profile? On a scale of 1 to 10, I want each and every one of you to interact, all right? 0, 1, 1, 2, 0, 1. All right, all right. So it is basically like really bad kind of profile, right? So let's do things in such a way that like we'll get a profile which is like really good looking. All right. So now what I'll do, I'll go to ChatGPT. All right. So I'll click on try ChatGPT. Now I'll give this particular prompt to ChatGPT. Hello, hello, my name is Aditya. Currently, I am working as a manager as a software manager, as a software manager in edutech startup called as B10X. All right. So now I'll give details about myself, right? Here are some details about me. So I graduated in 2021 from IIT Kharagpur. I have 4 years of experience. I am passionate about my work, right? I'm doing spelling mistakes even after that, like ChatGPT will understand like what thing you are trying to say, right? So I'm passionate about my work. My skills include team management, agile, scrum, front end development, back end development, etc. I am building my LinkedIn profile from scratch, act as LinkedIn growth hacker, and answer me following questions. All right. So this is the particular prompt. I just made this prompt, right? I'll copy this prompt and paste it to you guys so that you guys can also try for your profile. Okay. So let me just paste it for everyone. Okay. So this will be different for everyone. So I'm just giving you like the way by which you can do it. Okay. So now I want to add a cover photo, give me give me one liner to add on cover photo. All right. So I'll just give this prompt. Okay. So this is the one liner it has given: transforming ideas into impactful solution with passion and precision. Right. So folks, on a scale of 1 to 10, how much will you rate this line, this particular line? On a scale of 1 to 10, like how much will you rate this particular line? Folks, if you are not able to copy, don't worry. I'll give you lecture notes. In lecture notes, you'll be getting everything. Okay. Okay. All right. Like many of you are saying, like you are not able to copy, don't worry. Like I'll give you lecture notes. Okay. And I want you to like each and every one of you to interact in the chat box so that like I can give you additional knowledge as well, right? And if energy of the session is high, then I tend to like give much more, right? So how much will you rate on a scale of 1 to 10? Like how much will you rate this line? Really good, 10, 10, 7. Okay, so I'll ask you to make it shorter and more impactful. All right, more impactful. All right. Okay, turning vision into impact with passion and precision. All right. Give me 5 different ideas. All right. Driving innovation with passion and precision. Passionate about tech, dedicated to excellence. Wow, this looks nice, folks. By the way, like, do you like the second one? Do you like on like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Which one do you like the most? 2, 2, 2, 1, 4, 2, 3. All right, all right. So I see maximum responses at 2. So 2 even I like, right? I'll just copy it. Now let's create a banner for it, right? So this particular area is called a banner, right? Now let's create banner for this. All right. So for creating banner, the particular software which I'm going to use is called as Canva, right? Everyone aware of Canva? Everyone aware of Canva? Yes. All right. Okay, so I'll like use Canva right in front of you, right from scratch, so that you guys won't be able to like you'll be following everything. All right. So just go to canva.com, CANVA. Are you guys able to see my screen of canva.com? Drop in yes if you are able to see. I have changed the tab. That's why I'm asking. Are you guys able to see my Canva screen? Yes. All right, folks. Okay. So here I'll just search LinkedIn banner. All right, LinkedIn banner I'll search. Okay. Step number one is go to Canva. Right. Step number 1 is go to Canva. Step number 2 is search for LinkedIn banner. Right. Search for LinkedIn banner. Right. So now you'll be getting multiple templates. Right. You'll be getting multiple templates just like this. All right. So here let me just select best one out there. So I feel like you can like folks, like whatever you feel like is good for your use case, you can select that. For me, like I feel like this is looking pretty good for me. So I'll just click on customize this template. Okay. I'll click on customize this template. After that, what I'm going to do, whatever the line which I had, I'll just paste that line over here. All right. And I'll just drag it and make it bigger. Okay. So let me just delete it. Okay. And do not add name in the banner, right? Because people can see your name on the profile itself, right? So whoever is adding their name on banner, I think they're not doing any justice for themselves. Okay. After that, just upload your best picture. I'm 100% sure you'll be looking good in every picture. So I'll just upload this particular picture. Okay. So this particular picture has background. So what I'm going to do, all right, what I'm going to do for background, I'm going to click on this picture. I'm going to click on edit image. All right. I'm going to select this first option of BG remover. All right. I'm going to select this first option of BG remover. Okay. All right. So now I have like successfully removed background. Okay. So I'll just paste it like this. Okay. And if I want any kind of shadow behind my head, so what I can do, I can again go to edit image. I'll select shadow. All right. I'll select glow option. All right. And glow here, this glow is black. So what I'll do, I'll select glow as white because like this particular banner is in black. So if glow is white, then it will make much more sense. Or we can also try bluish shade. All right. Let's try bluish. Oh no, this is not looking nice. Let's try black only. Yeah, black looks nice. Okay. And after that, let me just add my Instagram handle on here as well. So in order to add Instagram handle, what I'm going to do, I'll just go to elements and I'll search Instagram. Okay. So this I got. I'll just make it small. And like this, I'll add my Instagram handle. Okay. And I'll make it bigger. And the most important thing of all, add your WhatsApp number. Okay. So if you want people to approach you from LinkedIn platform, add your WhatsApp. Now WhatsApp is the most convenient way of attracting clients and attracting people. Okay. So I'll just select WhatsApp logo. I don't think like Canva has this logo inside it. So I'll select WhatsApp logo. I'll download WhatsApp logo from internet. Okay. So I'll go in images. Got this particular image. Right click, save as image. Save image as WhatsApp logo. Have saved. I'll come over here and here. I'll just add this image. Okay. I'll make it smaller. I'll bring it right over here. And now I can simply note down my WhatsApp number. Okay. So here in this way, or one more important thing, also add country code, right? Maybe like if you are like some international recruiter is trying to approach you, that person won't be able to figure out like what country code do you have. So also add country code. Okay. So these two important pieces of information are over here. Okay. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to download it. I'm going to share, click on download, PNG में इसको download कर लेंगे, right? So I'll just download it in PNG. All right. So LinkedIn banner. All right. And again, let's go to now LinkedIn profile. So here, what I'm going to do once I'm on LinkedIn profile, I'll select this particular camera icon. Okay. Edit profile background. And after that, desktop. Right. Desktop पे यहाँ पे banner है. So I'll just select this banner. I'll click on open. Okay. And I'll click on apply. So folks, now on a scale of 1 to 10, now most of the people use their LinkedIn from phone, so this won't be any problem. But we have one insight over here. Instead of here, if I had my face right over here, it would have looked nice on like computer as well. So let's do that. Let's do that in 1 minute only. Okay. So I'll just make everything black. So I'll just move these things from here to, okay. And let me just make it smaller. All right. And this also, let's make it a little bit smaller. Okay. Now it looks good. And now my face should be facing that side. So what I'll do, I'll go on flip and I'll go on flip horizontal, right? So now my face is looking at right side. Okay. And maybe like if you want some design, so here I can search circle, right? And you'll be getting circle like this. I'll just change its color to white. You can do anything that you want. You have 100% design liberty, and I'll just throw it in background, so it will look like somewhat like kind of design, and it will look some nice, right? So like I'll go in position, and from position I'll make it backward. Okay, so I'll make it backward, and I'll drag it to the corner. So now it looks like some design is there. Okay. So this is the LinkedIn banner that we have. You can try multiple templates, multiple formats, and here is the simple LinkedIn banner that we have. So I'll just click on download. I'll click on download. Okay. Now, if I want to change my LinkedIn picture, so what I'm going to do, I'll just go on our account once again, and here I'll click on pen icon, and here I'm going to click on select on delete photo. Okay. I'll just right away delete the photo. Okay. Now I can re-upload new photo. So I'll just select it. Okay. Now I'll click on apply. Okay. So folks, in the beginning, you guys gave a score of 1, right? Score of 1 out of 10. Now, how much score will you give to this LinkedIn profile? Right? How much score will you give to this LinkedIn profile now? 1.5, 2, 3, 2.5, right? So this is the first step. The first step, we added a beautiful looking banner that we have added, right? Now comes the second step. Second step is basically adding a really good profile picture, right? All right. So for profile picture, so let's search like there was a free tool. I don't know like if that free tool exists there or there is if it exists or not, right? Let me just search professional profile picture AI. All right. So there was a really good free tool. I think it was Photo, right? So, all right. So I'll just block it. Now let me just download one image for sake of creating profile picture. Indian college student. All right. So I'll go in images and maybe this person I'll download. Okay. For just showing you example, this person's picture I'll download. Okay. I'll click on save. Now here, I'll click on try a profile picture, and I'll just upload it over here. right? I think uh, it is generating from scratch. It is not like you can upload and it will like use it. So let me just check it. Mm, okay. So now I have selected three styles which I like. Now I'll just drag and drop whatever picture I had, right? So it will scan the picture, right? Now, like it is asking you to add two more images to like train their AI, but I don't have to. So like let's just keep it. You can also like you can upload three, and it will give you those AI generated images like which were in train 3 4 months ago, which people were adding on their Instagram, right? But for professional pictures, what I particularly do for my use case is basically I use Canva itself, right? Canva is really really powerful. So what I do, so just go to Canva, right? Go to Canva, and in Canva, go to custom size, right? Go to custom size in Canva. Here, select the size 1080 by 1080, right? 1080 pixels width, 1080 pixels height, right? And once you are here, whatever picture that you have with background, upload that image. All right. So I have already uploaded one of my like let's say uh, maybe maybe this picture. All right, maybe this picture of Warren Buffett I really like. So if I had this image with background and everything, right? I'm just giving you example. Right, if I had this image with background and everything, what I'm going to do? So whatever image that you are uploading, make sure the two-third of image, like two-third of image is covered by your face to neck, right? Here, this much part, right? What we think will upload the image and will like make it smaller and it will look nice. It doesn't look nice because the icons in message and everything, they are this small, right? So just imagine like this small is the icon, right? So you can see like my Gmail icon over here. It is this small, right? So many of people are going to see your picture in really small congested area, right? So that's why let's make sure whenever you are building your profile picture, your face will be covering one third to two third, right? Anywhere between one third to two third of the space, right? What do I mean by one third to two third? Basically, if I divide this in three compartments, right? If I divide this in three compartments, your face should be ideally covering two compartments, right? Like in this one, like Warren Buffett's face is covering two compartments, right? So anywhere between like it can cover more than one, but less than two compartments, right? That should be your profile picture, okay? So now, like, let's say there is a like really not professional looking background in your image. So what you are going to do? Select, click on the image, right? Click on the image. After that, click on edit image, right? Click on edit image, and after that, click on background remover. Okay, click on background remote. Okay, now you have removed the background, right? You have removed the background, and according to theme of your profile, since I have added a dark theme banner, I can select a dark theme, like blackish theme kind of background for my image as well, right? So what I'm going to do, let me just click on background, and here I'll click on this background color. Okay, I'll click on this background color, and background color maybe I'll try gray. So folks, is this color looking nice? Is this color looking nice, or should I try another one? Right? So I'll click on gray. Let's try gray. And other than that, we can try black as well. So which one is looking nice? Nice gray or black? Or we can try like light gray as well. So three options are there. We have gray and we have black and we have light gray. Which one should I go ahead with? Which one is looking nice? One, two, or three? Two. Black one, gray, black, gray, light gray. All right. So black one is looking nice, but see, like why am I doing this over here? Because see, like I have added a dark themed banner, right? So if you create your profile in a theme, it will look like a nice and aesthetic landing page, right? So that's why whatever theme that you are choosing for your banner, make sure that exact same thing you are choosing for your profile picture as well, right? So here I'll just choose a black one and I'll click on share. Again, I'll download it. Okay. Again, I'll download it. All right. So I just download it. I'll go on LinkedIn profile once again. And here I'll click on this particular profile picture. I'll click on edit, right? Let me just like add photo, upload a photo, and here I'll upload this particular photo. Okay. And you can select like this. Or like if you want to zoom in into the picture, what you can do, you can drag right over here. If you want to zoom out, you can drag right over here. But if you create a 1080 by 1080 pixel picture, you don't need to zoom in or you don't need to straighten or anything, right? I'll just click on save picture, right? I'll just click on save picture. Okay. So now folks, like from like you rated like initially you rated 1 out of 10 to this profile. After I added a banner, you rated like 2 out of 10 to this profile. After adding a profile, it is looking at 3 out of 10 profile, right? It is looking like a 3 out of 10 profile. Make sense? Make sense, everyone? Now let's do like this description about the profile, right? Description about the profile. So now let's instead of writing description by ourselves, let's ask our dear friend ChatGPT. All right. So what prompt I'm going to give to ChatGPT? Give me one-liner description to write below my profile picture, make sure that it will be SEO friendly. All right. So what is SEO, folks? What is SEO? SEO is basically search engine optimization, right? SEO is basically search engine optimization. What I'm asking ChatGPT to do, asking ChatGPT to do, like give me a one-liner in such a way that it will be search engine optimization friendly, right? So if you're like, let's say, trying to rank on LinkedIn, so whenever anyone like is going to search term founder, right, your profile will pop up on top. If anyone is going to search for like backend engineer, your profile is going to pop up on top. So you have to decide which keyword that you are targeting, and for that, just ask ChatGPT to write something for you, and ChatGPT is going to write exact things for you. Okay, everyone understood? Everyone clear so far? Folks, is everyone clear? Whatever I have in the parts, whatever I have taught so far, everyone clear? Yes, yes, yes. No, yes, yes, yes. Folks, I want answer from each and every one of you so that like I can move ahead or I can like repeat some part, right? I want each and every one of you to like go and implement. Once you are taking all the insights from here, I want you all of you to implement. All right. So that's why I'll be providing recording of this session as well, so that you can wherever you are like stuck, you can like just like hands-on try and get it done. Right? Okay. So now like I have gave this particular prompt to ChatGPT कि मुझे SEO friendly चाहिए. SEO friendly why? Because I want to get ranked, right? SEO friendly for keyword, right? For keyword software developer oblique software manager. All right. Now this is too long. This is too long, right? I can ask it to make it shorter. Make it shorter. Okay. So here I can ask it to make it further shorter, right? Make it even shorter. Right? Make it even shorter. Okay. So now this looks good to me. So I'll just copy it. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on this pen icon, right? And here, instead of headline, I'll just paste it. Okay. So I can paste it. After that, like what people do, like they also add like their company name, right? They give the semicolon and they add their company name, right? So if someone is going to look out for like Amazon engineer, so they will be ranked on that aspect as well, and they also add their education, right? So for my case is IIT Kharagpur, so I'll write IIT Kharagpur. All right. So they add their college, they add their this thing, and if you are a LinkedIn influencer, they add their followers as well. But I don't think followers is relevant because no one searches anyone by by adding followers as tag, right? So this is it. This is it. So I'll just click on save. And one more thing. Like let's say folks, like what you can do, you can also like upload your resume on Drive, right? This is really big hack, right? If you are looking for a job, right? So what you can do, you can upload your resume on Google Drive, right? And copy like share that Google Drive. Anyone with link can view, right? Make it public, right? Make whatever you're uploading in your resume public, right? So when that Google Drive link is public, copy that link, copy that particular link, right? So I'll just instead of Google Drive link, I'm taking B10X link. All right, I'll just copy B10X link and paste that link right over here, right? Paste that link right over here, okay? And in link test, what I'm going to write, my resume, right? My resume, okay? So here I'm going to click on save. All right. Okay, folks. Now, on a scale of 1 to 10, how much are you going to rate this profile? On a scale of 1 to 10, how much are you going to rate this profile? We are just working on like first 10% of the part, right? How much will you rate, folks? And now we started with one profile. We started with one. Currently, we have a maybe three and a half, right? So let's optimize it further. Let's optimize it further, okay? So now, folks, just understand, right? So once you have uploaded your resume on Google Drive, and once you have given link right over here, whenever someone clicks over here, so what they are going to see? They are going to see your resume. How smart is it? Is it smart or not? Right? It is like free marketing of your resume, right? Free marketing of your resume. Okay. So that's how you can like publicize your resume. Like let me just show you like example. Software developer resume. So I'll show you exactly like what I'm trying to say. Folks, by the way, everyone understood, or should I show like what I'm trying to say? Like when I mean by what do I mean by like upload it on Drive and add Drive link over there? Is everyone clear, or should I show you? If you are clear, drop in clear. If you want me to show you like how to upload on Google Drive, how to take that link and put it over there, so I'll show it to you. Clear? Okay, please show it once. Okay, all right. So I'm showing it in 1 minute. Okay. So let me just download one resume for sake of this example. Okay. So PDF. It will ask me for my lead. I'm 100% sure. Okay. So let me download in random PDF. All right. Okay. So I think I have PDF. Okay. So let's say I have this PDF. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'll just go to drive.google.com. Everyone has Drive. So just go to drive.google.com. Okay. And here, what you're going to do, just upload it. Okay. Just right away upload it. Okay. So once you have uploaded it, what are you going to do? Just click on open. Okay. And this is particular, like folks, this is your this is your resume, right? You are just upload resume on your Google Drive like this, right? So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on share. Okay. Here I'm going to click on restricted. I'm going to click on anyone with link. And here I'm going to select viewer. I'm going to copy the link. Okay. I'm going to click on done. I'll come to my LinkedIn profile. I'll click on this particular pen icon. Okay. और यहाँ पे मैं link change कर दूंगा. So I'll paste this link. Okay. So now I'll click on save. All right. So you're like guys, if you are a business owner, you can like put in your business website over there. If you are someone who is at senior position, you can put your portfolio over there, right? But if you are someone who is looking for a job, this is the way to upload your resume. Everyone clear? It is not necessary to upload only resume. You can also like add your portfolio if you are at senior position. If you are a business owner, you can add your business website as well. Everyone clear? All right. Okay. So now, if anyone clicks on your profile at resume, boom, mind blown. They'll be able to see your resume, right? They'll be seeing your resume, right? Everyone mind blown, folks? MB. Wow, wow, wow. Absolutely love this energy. Absolutely love this energy. Okay. So this is how you build your first part of your resume, first part of your LinkedIn. Okay. So now after that, let's add our skills and everything else as well, right? Now let's add our skills and everything else. Okay. So let's add summary about ourselves, right? What is summary? Summary is basically, I'll show you. Okay. So this about part is basically summary about ourselves, right? So now let's add some summary about myself. Okay. So I'll ask it to create me a short summary about my profile and make it SEO friendly. All right, make it SEO friendly. Okay. So here, it has like this summary includes keyword like software manager, agile team, software tech solution. So it has made a SEO friendly like summary for me. So I'll just copy it. Okay. I'll just copy it and I'll paste it right over here. Okay. And I'll click on save. All right. Folks, now I have about section as well, right? Now I have about section as well. Who is absolutely mind blown? Right? And this is particularly like SEO friendly, right? If you want to write something huge, you can give that context and you can get it written from ChatGPT, right? You don't even understand like how much opportunities that you are losing out on just not having right LinkedIn profile, right? So this is how you do it, right? If you want to make it longer and if you want to give some another context, just give that context to ChatGPT and simply you can copy paste it right over here, right? But I wanted a short, simple, and SEO friendly description. So this is my short, simple, and SEO friendly description, okay? Now it is asking me to add my school or university. So I'll just click on add. Here I'll click on IIT Kharagpur. So just search, like make sure that you search your college properly and you add a logo wala college, right? Without logo wala, do not add. If your college is not showing up on logo, create a profile for your college and after that add that college, right? Bina logo wala doesn't bring any credibility to the table, right? It looks really, really bad. So add logo wala, right? So if I just do IIT Kharagpur, so I'll show you example, right? I'll do IIT Kharagpur. I'll do like bachelor's, right? Bachelor's degree, and I'll click on save. Okay. So now let's just see how bad does this look. Is it looking good, folks? Is it looking good? No. So it is very, very important for every one of us to make sure that whatever we are adding it with logo, right? Properly अपने college को tag करना वहाँ पे, right? So I'll just click on edit. So if you haven't already, so that like this is for that. But if you are already, you can like right away like just like see like what I'm doing. Okay. So I'll just select the college properly. Now I can give like start date, end date. Now here comes the main part, right? Here comes the main part. So I'll ask ChatGPT to give me 3 bullet points about my education in IIT Kharagpur, right? So it will make something up and you have to decide like if you want to add that or not, right? About highlights and what I have done, what were my achievements during college days. Make make these achievements relevant to my future employer. All right. So now I have given this prompt. Okay. So it is giving me like these three things which like I might have done in my college. So led a major software project, spearheaded a team project that developed a cutting edge application demonstrating leadership, technical and innovative abilities. Published a research paper which I actually did. The first part I haven't done. The second part I have done. Published a research paper, authored and presented a research paper on specific topic, showing a strong analytical skill and deep understanding of advanced software technologies. Awarded like particular award I got, like I got this gold medal or silver medal, right? So you can customize this according to it and just copy it, right? Just copy it. Okay, and paste it in activities and societies. All right. So it is more than 500 words. So what I'll do, I'll ask ChatGPT to give me this in 400 words. Give me this in 400 words. All right. Not like this. Not like this. Give me 3 bullet points in 400 words to copy paste. All right. So it has given me something long. I wanted short and it gave me something long, right? Arey yaar, it is not understanding the context. It is making every point 400 words, right? Okay. Make it ultra short. Okay, now it has understood, right? So I'll just copy it, right? I'll edit it. I'll go in doc and I'll spend some meaningful time to edit it so that it will be looking good on my profile. All right. So I'll go over here and in description, I'll add this. Okay. So my bad. So do not add in activities and society, just add in description. Okay. And in skills, what you can add skills relevant to your whatever job role, right? So I'll add a skill of leadership. Okay. After that, I'll add skill of software development, right? I'll add skill of public speaking. Okay. These are things. And if you have any certificate out of your college, if you have a photo of your degree, you can add that as well, right? Let's say like I have photo of my degree or I have link for my degree. What I'm going to do, I'll add in link, or if I have a photo, so I'll just add a photo. Let's just think like this is my college degree, right? I'm just giving you an example and I'll click on open. Okay. So it will look like the thumbnail. It will look really nice. Okay. So I'll just click like degree, right? WhatsApp university se mil gayi hai. Right? So yeah. So this is basically about it, right? So here, like I'll just select my college properly. Okay. I'll click on save. Okay. So folks, now before versus after, right? Before versus after, how much difference are you seeing right over here, right? If you see any generic profile who has just added their like college name and just like what degree they did, and you see another profile, you are a recruiter, you see another profile where that person has explained in detail like what he has done in college, what kind of achievements were there, and he has also added his degree or some certificate or some gold medal or something like that, and gave a description about that as well. So what is looking better? Scenario number 1 or scenario number 2? 1 or 2, folks? One is basically plain, like just typing in your college name, and second is basically typing everything in detail. Two, right? Absolutely. So in this way, you can add your education as well, right? I just gave you a simple example. You can do it properly, right? You can do it properly. Do not like just like copy paste it, because like it won't be relevant for you. You can do it properly for your own use case. Okay. So we have added education as well. Okay. And it's if you have like post graduation, undergraduation, you can add multiple colleges by just clicking on icon over here, right? By just clicking on icon over here, and you can add multiple colleges. Okay. So that's what you can do. All right. So now after that, what am I going to do? Okay. So here, like I have updated my education now in experience, right? In experience. So only writing manager and like your company name is not going to cut out anymore, not going to be the cutout anymore, right? So after that, you can also write your location. Let's say this was remote for me, so I'll just write remote. If it is like Bangalore or something like that for you, you can like select Bangalore, all right? So you can select also like I'm currently working in this role. I haven't worked in this role. Like you're starting that, you're in that. You can add it on generic stuff. Okay. Now what I'm going to do? Description of the job. Okay. So I'll ChatGPT to give me SEO friendly description or my job at B10X. All right. No, I don't like this. So what I'm going to ask it, make it in bullet point. Make it in impactful, short, and crisp bullet points. All right. All right, so this looks good. So with some minor changes in doc, like I'll take it to doc, I'll do some minor changes according to my use case, and after that, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to paste it over here, okay? And I'm going to like search a bullet, like bullet point, copy paste. All right. So I'll go on this website particular. I'll copy this one. ये copy हो गया. So I'll paste this. I'll paste it over here, and finally I'll paste it over here. Okay. So, like in your work, what kind of skills that you are using, you can like add those skills, like maybe like software development. After that, leadership. Okay, and maybe like after that, some tool, maybe Jira. All right. So Jira I'm using. So I'll write Jira. Whatever tools are relevant for you, you can add those, right? Now comes the most important part. Now comes the most important part. Describing something about your achievement, right? Let's say you are performer of the month, right? If you are performer of the month, right? So what are you going to do? You can, if you just write it over here, it is not going to cut out anymore, right? So what are we going to do? We are going to click picture of performer of the month certificate, or whatever certificate that you have, or whatever achievement that you have, whatever extra thing that you have. Let's say you are featured in some company's article, right? Your company has written like vice president of our company has like this achievement. So what you can do? You can click a picture of that, click on add media, you can add link of that, or here in this case I'm going to add a picture. All right, so let's say this is the picture of my achievement, right? This is the picture of my achievement, so I'll just open it. Okay, and here I can write performer of the month award, right? Maybe this is picture of medal and my certificate, right? And here in description you can ask ChatGPT to write description for this, right? Let's say I have this description. So was performer of the month for whole year, right? So anything, right? You can ask ChatGPT to write it, you can verify it, and you can paste it over here. Okay, so I'll click on apply. So this is how you are going to update your whatever job role you are talking about, right? Now I'll click on save. Okay, so start date and end date is asking me. So I'll just start date March 29. Currently I'm working here, so I'll click on save. Okay. All right. Okay, folks. So folks, now how much are you going to rate this profile? On a scale of 1 to 10, how much are you going to rate this profile? Folks, on a scale of 1 to 10, now how much are you going to rate this profile? Right? So we started from a really basic profile, and now we are here. Right? Now we are here. Now, folks, tell me, like on a scale of 1 to 10, how much are you going to rate this profile, this particular profile? 10, 10, 10, 9, 10, 7, 10, right? So this is the basics of LinkedIn, right? In the next session, what we are going to learn? We are going to learn how to make your profile more SEO friendly, and also like many LinkedIn hacks by which you can use LinkedIn like top 1%, right? Like how all this like LinkedIn influencers, how they get large likes and shares and comments, right? In the similar way, how you can get these likes and comments and share for yourself, we are going to see how you can get the profile views, how you are going to get that extra followers on LinkedIn, that we are going to see in upcoming session. All right. So folks, was today's session helpful for you? On a scale of 1 to 10, how helpful was today's session for you? I want each and every one of you to answer, folks. 10, 10, 9, 10, 9. I think it was basic. So it was first session, nah? It was first session. That's why it was basic. The follow-up session, the next session is going to be like mid-level, and after that we are going to go to advanced level. Okay. All right. And if you have missed anything out of today's session, folks, you are going to get recording of that. You can go through that like simply, and you can follow step by step, and you can like watch it at your own pace as well. Okay. All right, folks. Thanks a lot for joining in. I hope you have learned something out of today's session.